Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to another reaction. Today we're gonna watch the trailer of Not Anymore, the upcoming movie Gunjan Saxena, the Kage Girl. Yeah, so the trailer released 2 weeks ago, the movie already dropped on Netflix, and yeah, it gets lots of mixed reviews from celebrities itself, more positive than from the audience because of several reasons, but the biggest one would probably be because of nepotism, because of Janhvi Kapoor bagging the main role of Gunjan Saxena, also because she's one of Karan Johar's favorites, I'd say. So yeah, that's why lots of people are like, no, I'm boycotting this movie. But I'm open-minded, I really want to watch the movie, and I still haven't done that yet because I haven't even reacted or watched this trailer even once. I was on a break when this trailer released, so that's why we're doing this again, and you guys probably already watched the movie. But anyway, so this movie is a biopic. It's about Gunjan Saxena, who is flight lieutenant, an Indian Air Force officer and former helicopter pilot. She was the first Indian woman to fly in a combat zone, therefore she's a Kargil War veteran. That's why her story was so inspiring to make a movie out of this. That's why I really want to watch a movie, and that's why I think lots of other people really want to watch a movie, because her story is just so inspiring. But most people give it negative reviews because of Janhvi's poor acting, apparently. So to be honest, Janhvi is one of my most favorite newcomers. I have to admit that her acting isn't the best. I just saw her acting in Thadak. Yeah, it wasn't the best, yes. I just really like her as a person. Of course, I don't know her personally. I just find her to be one of the most sweetest and cutest and most humblest newcomers in Bollywood right now. Also because of her nepotism background, lots of people are like, no. But I just think she's a really nice girl. Also in this movie there is Pankaj Tripathi, and he's a really awesome actor. Like, he always has this funny attitude in all of his movies, even these more serious ones. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I just really like his acting. He always has this funny aura around him. I don't know why, and that's why I really like him. And I think I also saw that Angad Bedi will also star in this. I'm not sure if he plays Janhvi's brother or husband, or I don't know. So guys, let's watch.
अगर एयरफोर्स ज्वाइन करना है तो फौजी बनकर दिखाओ, वरना घर जाकर बेलन चलाओ। हमारी जिम्मेदारी है
nice.
करना, तुम्हें बराबरी का मौका देना नहीं।
दादा, मुझे पायलट बनना है।
लड़कियां पायलट नहीं बनती।
देखो, प्लेन लड़का उड़ाए या लड़की, दोनों को पायलट ही बोलते हैं।
देख कुंजी, बचपना छोड़ दे, ठीक है? तू पहले पढ़ाई पे ध्यान दे, फिर देखेंगे बाद।
दादा, आपने आर्मी ज्वाइन किया ना?
Okay, he's his brother. Her brother.
पायलट तो बनकर रहेगी।
आप मेरी तरफ हैं कि उसकी?
नहीं, हम तो इस तरफ हैं। बेटा, जो लोग मेहनत का साथ नहीं छोड़ते, किस्मत कभी उनका हाथ नहीं छोड़ती। कुर्सी की पेटी बांध ले, टेक ऑफ का टाइम आ गया है।
तैयार हो जाओ जवानों, उधमपुर बेस में बदलाव आने वाला है। गुंजन सक्सेना
कमांडिंग ऑफिसर पहले पहुंचता है, तुम लेट।
सर, वो ओवरऑल चेंज करने की जगह नहीं।
बैग पे चेंज कर लेती।
बहुत ढूंढा मैंने, लेकिन लेडीज टॉयलेट मिला
नहीं, क्योंकि लेडीज टॉयलेट है ही नहीं।
क्यों सर?
क्योंकि ये जगह लेडीज के लिए बनी ही नहीं है।
Oh, thank you.
आपको क्या प्रॉब्लम है मुझसे सर?
जानना चाहती हो क्या प्रॉब्लम है? सेट डाउन, गो।
इसमें क्या दिख रहा है?
एयरफोर्स ऑफिसर्स।
10 एयरफोर्स ऑफिसर्स और एक लड़की।
फिर से।
ये बेकार पायलट की जरूरत ना एयरफोर्स को है ना मेरी यूनिट को।
फिर से। तुम कमजोर हो गुंजन, और डिफेंस में कमजोरी के लिए कोई जगह नहीं।
बस एक बात कहनी थी पापा, मैं आपको कभी हारने नहीं दूंगी।
Wow, really inspiring story.
इस वक्त देश को अपने बेस्ट पायलट्स की जरूरत है। जय हिंद।
जय हिंद सर।
रिटर्न बैक टू बेस एट वंस। इट्स वेरी रिस्की। तुमसे नहीं होगा गुंजन।
Wow, the VFX is also really well done. Wow. I already saw lots of other people saying, oh my god, the trailer already looks so bad, but I think the trailer looks actually really promising. Janhvi's acting, of course I can't judge her whole acting in the movie just from this trailer, but the scene where they're showing her weakness, her kamzori, that was a really awesome scene. So I don't get why so many people just are so negative or were so negative towards this trailer. I'm definitely going to watch this movie. I'm all in for women empowerment, and the story of Gunjan sounds so inspiring. So brace yourself for for negative comments now. We're going to look into the comment section. When you're trying to hide nepotism by patriotism. So I do have to admit that giving someone like Janhvi this role, it would be like giving someone like Ananya this kind of role, or someone else from the newcomers now. I do think that she can grow on this movie. I don't understand when people are like, these Star Kids choose movies like Student of the Year 2, for example. But then on the other hand, there are Star Kids who are choosing or are chosen for a movie like this. So I can understand if you're saying someone like Taapsee Pannu, someone like Radhika Apte, or I don't know who else would be more fitting for this, that you're saying they have the skills, they have the experience to portray a character like this, and you can imagine them playing this. I too have to admit that in the first place they'd seem more fitting for it, but I really want to give Janhvi a chance to prove herself, and lots of people are already convinced that she didn't prove herself in the movie because I've already watched it, but I already heard that there are lots of mixed reviews. There are lots of other people from the Bollywood community who actually thought that her performance wasn't that bad as expected. She could show more emotions, more facial expressions, yes. Okay, so here is a woman who's saying she is an army officer's wife. And she says, trust me, no male officer will ever ask a lady officer to change at a public place, no matter what she has done, or no officer will say to another one, irrespective of the gender, during war that you are weak, because tumse nahi ho payega, and so on. I believe that, yes. But did you see the disclaimer in the beginning? It is dramatized, obviously. So no movie would showcase something like this in a very friendly, polite, and like everything is perfect way, so that everyone is supporting her during this journey in the movie, that everyone is welcoming her with open arms, everyone. So there has to be some kind of conflict in the movie, and obviously with a topic like this, it is more cliche, but it fits the story that there are men who are discouraging her, who aren't supportive of a woman in the Indian Air Force, or having prejudice that she's too weak, and so on. So without this conflict, the movie would just go like in a everything is great way, you know? And there has to be this kind of a problem. So I do believe this woman that something like this wouldn't actually happen now, but back then there was also a different time because she was in a minority. She was the first woman to fly in a combat zone. So obviously when you're making a movie out of this story, you have to have some kind of conflict and this prejudice. It's always like this when they're filming, when they're portraying biopics, there always has to be something dramatized or even invented for the story to make it more appealing, to have some kind of conflict, because you also want to have this roller coaster ride while watching the movie. So guys, I can't even find a single positive comment for this. I am going to watch this movie, and you guys can already tell me your opinion about this. about the trailer. If you already watched the movie, then tell me your kind of review, short review in the comments. What did you think about it? And as always, don't leave any hate when you say Janhvi isn't a good actress in your opinion and someone else, like an outsider like Taapsee or someone else, deserves to play this role. So be it, but you really don't have to insult everyone here. That's just something I'm not accepting. So many people are also here after watching this movie and pointing out after watching the movie how bad it is. So yeah, that's one of the reasons why I'm really going to watch this movie, because I really want to make up my own opinion about this, if it's really that bad. Apparently IAF, so the Indian Air Force, also made some kind of complaint about this movie, because Gunjan Saxena also said that even the seniors were supportive of her. And I understand when people are angry about the fact that the movie doesn't really portray her real experience, her real journey during the movie. I totally understand that. Maybe they should have done it like this, like do it out of fiction. If they really want to portray something like this, and as I said, some kind of conflict just has to be in the movie, then maybe they should have changed the concept, and they shouldn't have done it based on a biopic, on a real life story. They should have really made it out of fiction, and so that way no one feels offended. But I also think always with these biopics or something based on real life stories or real life events, whatever, there's always this amount of people they're saying, yeah, it doesn't really add up to what really happened. It doesn't add up to the truth. These are my thoughts on this. So I actually really think the trailer looks really promising. Yes, Janhvi's acting could be better, but these are just some glimpses. And I just think it's great that she is doing more special movies and not a movie like Student of the Year 2, for example. Most people are really just watching it for the story, for the real Gunjan, because of her journey, and not for Janhvi. So guys, that's enough of this reaction. I really hope you liked it. So if you're new to my channel and check out my other reactions, I mostly do Bollywood reactions because Bollywood is my life. Then if you haven't done it yet, then please follow me on Instagram. I post everything Bollywood related there, and you can also find reactions on Instagram to me, which you can't see on YouTube. And please check out my Bollywood top videos and my Bollywood edits. I put so much thought and insight into these videos. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss anything in the future. Just if you want, of course, I'm not forcing anyone, and that's it. Hope to see you guys in another reaction again.